The trial of Onthatile Sebati, Tumelo and Kagiso Mokone has adjourned in the High Court yesterday in Tswana. Yesterday, the trial finally got underway following several delays. The trio face a string of charges, including murder, theft and robbery. They've pleaded not guilty. They're on trial for murdering the Sebati family in 2016 in Mokone in the northwest. Tshegohaco Moagi is there for us. Tshegohaco, good afternoon to you. If I remember, this is a family murder. One of the people involved is accused of murdering a member of their family. What's the latest?
That's correct, Stephen. Good afternoon to you. So indeed, this is a family murder. Accused number 2, Onthatile Sebati, standing trial for the murder or the alleged plotting of these murders of her family. We do know that all 4 of her family members, including her pregnant sister and 3-year-old brother, were shot and killed back in 2016, December of 2016. And interestingly enough, we were told in court last year that Onthatile Sebati actually went to the police station and confessed, something that we of course heard as well in court today. What has now taken place, Stephen, in court since yesterday afternoon has been a trial within a trial, where the state brought about this application requesting the court to allow this application of a trial within a trial so that they are able to go through the evidence and specifically the confession statements that had been brought forward. But this trial within a trial was granted after the defense teams actually told the court that they plan on challenging these confession statements, mainly because they say that their clients were never read their rights. They say that they were coerced or intimidated, some of them saying that they were even assaulted to actually give these particular confession statements. We've heard now today about how Onthatile Sebati allegedly walked into a police station in Makau, and she said that she wants to make a statement. And we heard from one of the officials from a police station in Makau, who was there present at the time when Onthatile Sebati walked in, telling the court that she saw her actually crying, saying that she wants to make a confession statement to a police officer that is available. And we also heard from that very police officer who took down the statement, saying that she was never coerced, that she came to the police station out of her own free will, that she did not, she was read out her rights, and that she did say that she did not want to speak to a legal representative, that she was ready to give this particular statement. Similar testimony that came through from a police officer who then took the statement of Kagiso Mokone, also saying the exact same things. But this, of course, because the defense is now arguing that their clients were never read out their rights and that they were denied legal representation during these alleged confession statements that were given to the police. So tomorrow we expect this trial within a trial to then continue as the state tries to prove that these confession statements were given by their own will. And I mean, they were now within age. They were not underage anymore. They were not minors anymore when these statements were given. But the state also just trying to prove that they were given and that they were given out of their own free will by all 3 accused. So trial continues tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock here at the North Gauteng High Court.
Tshegohaco Moagi, thank you very much indeed for that live update. One of those just amazing stories.